again. Smile.
Make them do the cat sound.
What does the kitty say? What does the lion say? Roar.
That's the cutest lion sound ever.
Monkey say? What does a owl say? What does a coyote say? What does a cow say? What does a chicken say?
Natalie, what does Santa say?
Daddy. That is Daddy. What does Santa say? Ho ho ho. Remember? Say ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Natalie, what does a snake say?
What does a butterfly do? Fly. What does a birdie say? What does a Junior think
What's that? What is that one?
She's thinking.
She's thinking?
What does a baby say? What does a I don't want to wear them. What does a doggy do?
What does a cat say? No, a cat.
What does a lizard do? What else do you know? You don't know?
You don't know any other animals?
Nose.
What does a lamb say? What does a sheep say?
Bah.
Bah.
What about a coyote?
What's a coyote say? What does a skunk do? What does a stinky? Yeah. What does a butterfly do?
What?
Butterfly flaps. What does duck say? What does a tweet tweet? What does a what's a car do? Vroom vroom. What does Josh do? You don't know?
What does Josh say?
What does James say? I don't know. What? Oh yeah, James does do that.
James does do that.
What? Make a surprise face. Make a sad face. Good. What? Make a mean face.
That's so mean, I'm scared.
There she goes. See?
Now look at me, give me a mean face.
Give Josh a mean face. Your eyebrows. Put your eyebrows like mama's. There you go. Good job. Make a happy face. Make a.
She's good at that one.
Make a. Make a crazy face. Make a crazy face. Do crazy.
Do a Bill Cosby impression.
So it does? Yes. They're upside down.
They're upside down now, to Pierre.
Yes. That's why she went, Yes.
No, Natty Bear,
That's
they're
not how they
upside
go?
down.
Is that how they go? Okay, then put them how they go.
That's cool, we can wear them upside down.
Oh, that's how they go, yes. No, Mama's head's too big.
Put them on Mama. There you go.
Ow! What does an elephant say?
What's an elephant say, Natty?
What does an elephant say? They don't fit me. What does an elephant say? What does an elephant say? They don't fit. You gotta put them on you. Put them in your hair. Put them in your hair. Go like this.
She's not listening to you.
Look at how cool. Ready? Say cheese. Cheese.
No.
Look at Greg Brown. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Josh.
Josh.
Say cheese. You gotta do it to Josh, to Greg. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Do a big cheese.
Big cheese.
Cheese. Oh, you want to do a sad face?
See, she's an actress. She's got all the faces down.
I know, she's crazy.
Do smiles. Smiles. Ow.